Wait, watch, ready? Did you get that?
This is the next bottle flip.
You ready? I was ready to go 3 for 3. Ready? Last one. I got some packages. 1, 2, 3. I'm basically an influencer now, except for I bought one of the 3, so it's not the same. Just kidding. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get into the unboxing, shall we? This one is from, I think it's from LILYBOD. LILYBOD, babe. Oh yeah, it is. Hello, I'm here. What do we think this is?
I'm voting leggings.
You're wrong. It's a sports bra. I'll show you guys. This looks so cute. This is what it looks like.
Cute.
This is the front. This is the back.
I love that.
And this is the side. Thanks, LILYBOD. This next one is from Kristen's Design Shop in New Jersey. She wrote Brooke Ray with 3 Y's. So, yeah.
I really should get, like, scissors.
Nah, screw scissors. I can do this on my own. Ow. Did I mention that my camera broke this morning? Wah, wah, wah. Got him. I don't need scissors. It's a surprise, don't tell. No one will be surprised when we see what it is. Okay. Look at this cute wrapping. Oh my gosh. Well, bam! It's my own Starbucks cup and it has my name on it. Whoa. Look at it. Look at the back, it's white, babe.
Wait, how'd you do white?
I don't know, but it looks so good. Look how cute she is.
Oh, can I hold it and show the camera?
Yeah.
The cute, like, rosy copper gold kind of like mandala. We're gonna have to go to Starbucks tonight.
Yeah,
Cute.
She
little
runs a little
cups.
Etsy shop. Holy, I'm obsessed, and they're not even that expensive. They're like $10. I'm obsessed.
Wait, here's your card. You're gonna want to keep that.
Okay, thanks, Kristen Designs. We love you. Last package, the one that we've all been waiting for.
Yes!
Okay.
It's gonna be worth it.
Everybody, look at this
so
beauty.
Pretty. Wait, keep it. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, yes.
Comes with this cute sticker. This is what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 things. Wait. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 things. Let's open her up. First thing that I want to show you guys is my pride and joy, the boy brow.
Yes.
Oh, it's matte. It's just pretty, guys. Like, we
So
love that.
cute.
Just slather this on your little browskis and you're set. Next thing that I got is more cloud paint because I love her. It's like more red because I like to look sunburnt because that's fun for me. Ooh, ooh.
Slidey back.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay, next thing is the Perfecting Skin Tint. Oh, yeah, I've never tried this. But
You're gonna
I
have to report back.
This is what it looks like. Cute. Put it on my face.
Do a
What the texture's
swatch. Do a
I
swatch.
don't know if you can do a swatch with foundation, can you?
Yes, you can.
It comes out kind of like watery. I like that. Okay, look.
It's very lightweight. It has very good, like, it kind of dries to like a powder.
Yeah, oh my gosh. We love that. Okay, I'm pumped for this. This looks good. It's very lightweight. I'm not about that crusty foundation. No, no, no. Last thing that I got is the birthdaybalm.com.
It's like aesthetically.
Say what? Say what? Say what? Say what?
Aesthetically pleasing. That's gonna be fun to put typography over. Aesthetically.
Aesthetic.
Look at the inside. Cute. Oh, yes. My inner visco girl is so happy right now. That is so cute. This is the best, you guys. I have this in coconut, and it is the best. I didn't mean to.
The aesthetically pleasing
taste
box. Don't taste it.
Tastes kind of good. You can use it on your cuticles too. Hi, Mom. Welcome to the unboxing. Hi. Yeah, that's everything that I got. That's it for this unboxing haul. Everybody like and subscribe. I'm sorry my camera broke, you guys. I'm sending it to Virginia today or tomorrow. To get
Virginia?
fixed. No cute videos until further notice. I guess we're just gonna be doing stuff like this, you and me, and all that. And I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Over, cut, out, bye.